Assalamu alaikum. We have come again to our nearest field to observe the natural beauty. But today I am not alone. Beside me, my uncle. He is also come with me. But today he got a little bit pain in his neck, so he is not working properly. So don't focus, not him. Focus at me. What I am teaching you. Okay, let's get started. I make a lot of video, even uploaded also about our field. But already once upon a time, even 2 3 weeks ago, this field there's a empty, and but today it is full of paddy seed. And not only this field, but also surrounding is nowadays everyone is sowing their paddy field. And you are seeing beside me there are some farmers who came out of Dhaka division, and at this season, like last point or middle point of the winter season, when people uses or people sow their paddy field, they order or they suggest these people, because in our area the number of farmer is very low. For from Rangpur division or Borishal division, lot of farmers come to work here because they get sufficient money compared to their own district. Like here people get 600 even 700 taka per day, where if you work in Borishal division or Rangpur division you will get 300 400 a minimum this price. But here you'll get lot of opportunity, and they are very expert to work, and they can complete one field easily in a shortened time compared to who are working or who are farmer in our own districts. So it is about to a noon time, it is going to be evening. But once upon a time, like 1 month ago, the surrounding was full of the monster follower. At that time we feel a lot of pleasure, but now the follower, it is going to be the harvesting time, and we will get going to another season. This is spring. This is one of the beautiful season amongst the six in Bangladesh. And winter season we feel a better energy, better pleasure. But not only winter but also spring will get another pleasure, because everywhere different kind of flowers will be flown, and we will show that time these things. But this video I will not long. I'm going to here spending just I am try to describe or introduce our nearest field, what is happening and what is at this position. So keep practicing and keep watching my video. Goodbye. I will come another video with new topic, inshallah, new places also. Assalamu alaikum.